Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I would request the sisters who would like to accept Islam, please can you mention at least your name and the country from where you come, so that we have some background about you.
Hello sir, good evening. I am from Philippines. My name is Rowena Selosha.
MashaAllah. And the next sister?
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
My name is Geraldine Flores from Philippines.
MashaAllah.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Kasuna Kamadwandi. I am from Sri Lanka.
MashaAllah.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Claire and I'm from the Philippines.
MashaAllah.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Carmela Pilantes. I came from Philippines.
MashaAllah. Wa alaikum salam.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dulanjali. My name is Sri Lanka.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Jocelyn Gianna Hieronimo from Philippines.
MashaAllah.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sri Lanka.
Wa alaikum salam. MashaAllah.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Emily from Philippines.
MashaAllah.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Jilin from Philippines.
MashaAllah. Wa alaikum salam.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
My name is Divine Grace Divino. I'm from Philippines.
MashaAllah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Sri Lanka Dipan.
MashaAllah.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Geraldine from Philippines.
MashaAllah. Wa alaikum salam.
Good evening. I'm Arlene M. Amorosa from Philippines.
MashaAllah. Wa alaikum salam.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Manvir from Mumbai, India.
MashaAllah. MashaAllah. So we have 15 people who like to give the shahada if I'm mistaken. Sister, there are 14 ladies. 14 ladies, 10 from Philippines and 4 from Sri Lanka if I'm not mistaken. And there's one child and there's one, MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Mabruk. Allahu Akbar. Brother, can we have we know your name, but can we repeat your name again, brother?
My name is Mutabazi.
From Uganda.
From Uganda.
MashaAllah. So we have got 14 sisters, 10 from Philippines, 4 from Sri Lanka, and 2 brothers, 1 from India, 1 from Uganda. So we have 16 people. Do you believe that there is one God?
Yes.
All can come close to the microphone, sister. The sisters can come close to the microphone. All can come close, that's it. Do all of you believe that there is one God?
Yes.
MashaAllah. Do you believe that Prophet Muhammad is a messenger of God?
Yes.
Do you believe that you should not worship anyone besides Allah?
Yes.
Do you believe that Jesus is not God?
Yes.
Do you believe Jesus is the messenger of God?
Yes.
Is anyone forcing you to accept Islam?
No.
Is anyone bribing you to accept Islam?
No.
I am, inshallah. Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu.
wa rasuluh.
I bear witness that there is no God but Allah, and I bear witness that Prophet Muhammad is the messenger and servant of Allah.
And the servant of Allah.
MashaAllah. All 16 of you are Muslims, and I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I would like to give you good news. Our beloved Prophet said, anyone who accepts Islam, all his past sins are forgiven. And whatever good you do remains. And the bigger sin you did in the past, you go away from it, the bigger reward you get. I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant all 16 of you Jannat-e Firdaus. I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He, through you, may He guide your relatives, your parents, your brothers, your sisters, and your other family members to the right path of Islam. And I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, may He make all of you dais of Islam so that you could spread the deen more. And inshallah, if you have any queries, you have a good center in Oman, mashallah. You have the information center, you have the Alidaya center. You are in a good country, mashallah. You should be blessed. And I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He give you the best in this world as well as the akhirah. MashaAllah.